Silicon carbide has gained significant traction as the primary substrate for semiconductors used in high-power electronic applications. Its superior thermal conductivity, high-frequency capabilities, wide band gap, chemical inertness, and hardness make it the preferred material for these next-generation chips. However, this booming market suffers a critical bottleneck in producing the final polishing step of silicon carbide wafers, which it must overcome. Chemical mechanical polishing, or otherwise known as CMP, is a crucial final step that results in an excellent surface finish with minimal subsurface damage to the wafer. However, it's often a bottleneck because of its slow removal rates, complex process, and limited slurry offerings, which makes it a time-intensive step that slows down the process. To overcome these challenges, Hyperion offers Submicron Hyperion Diamond, which plays a key role. The revolutionary slurry is designed to be used after lapping or fine grinding and before the final CMP stage. This proprietary diamond polishing suspension has been developed using a unique submicron diamond featuring more cutting points compared to monocrystalline and polycrystalline micron diamond. With higher material removal rates and low surface roughness, this solution has been proven to result in minimal subsurface damage. This water-based diamond slurry is easy to use and also easy to clean and dispose of. Submicron Hyperion Diamond delivers remarkably high material removal rates, an excellent surface finish, and less diamond slurry compared to CMP slurry, all while providing a near epi-ready surface. Utilizing Submicron Hyperion Diamond after lapping or fine grinding and before the final polishing stage has the potential to reduce the final CMP process up to 50%. With Hyperion Diamond, silicon carbide manufacturers can leverage this drop-in replacement with minimal process changes to enhance throughput and generate more chips to meet the fast-growing demand. Visit our website today to learn more about Hyperion Diamond and how it can help improve your silicon carbide process.